everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU presenta Jeffree Star Mystery Box Premium Edition. This was about $40 or $45, one of those two amounts, and guaranteed to be double the amount that is that I paid for this box. He did have 3 tiers that went out. It was a Friday release, and I placed my order like at 1:01, which is, it was 1 o'clock our time. I think it was 11 o'clock his time in California. So something like that, there, whatever that is. It was like a minute past that hour. I was on there buying my boxes, and 5 minutes after, I received my email confirmation that my products were ordered, and like 6 o'clock that night, my box had shipped. What? Shipped? I couldn't believe it. Yeah, I could not believe that my item had shipped. And then that Saturday, which was the 20th, I got a confirmation saying that my box was going to be delivered on Monday, and Monday it is. So just before we start, for those of you that are new, welcome, thank you for being here, and for those that are returning, welcome back and thank you for being here. So just get that out of the way. So let's get started. Let's dig in to see what's in this box. And this is a nice pretty green box, and then it's green tissue paper. I'm surprised, sorry, I feel like I have cat hair on my face. I am surprised, actually shocked, that there's no Jeffree Star logos on this green paper, or because there was like a limited edition lippy, and that's the whole reason why I got these boxes. I'm surprised there's no question marks all over this tissue paper like the box. You know, there's question marks on the box. So let's get started. Let's see. Let's open it up and see what there is. It looks so plain Jane in here. It's like, So there are the 5 products. Right off the bat, we have a pop socket, an orange one. I will not be keeping this. I don't use pop sockets on my phone, so I will be putting this away. At the end of the video, I'll explain what might be happening with some of these items in these boxes. So the first item is the pop socket. These will be like, I don't think he sells these on the website, so I'm gonna say they're $15 because it's Jeffree Star. So let's just count that as $15. And then his lip ammunition, which is the next thing, is shade and Gargoyle, and I'm kind of disappointed in this because this shade was in the last mystery boxes. I do have this shade. It is right here. It's a lip ammunition bullet, and my stepdaughter must have been playing in my makeup because she smushed it. She smushed the dip. Anyway, so let's watch this so you know what it is. It's a gray color, therefore the name Gargoyle. I don't wear this color at all. I might have to put like a gold, not even a gold, like maybe glitter over it. I don't like this color at all. And that's what the packaging looks like again, and then that's the color once again, so you could take a look. So that's a silver, like a gray, like, yeah, like a Gargoyle. So that's what this is. And like I said, I'm not swatching this one, I'm not keeping this one. I'm probably do something with it. I don't know, give it away or sell it. The next thing is the oh, and the lip ammunitions are $18. And this next one is a Velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Karma. I don't have this shade, but that's what the packaging looks like. I always open them from the bottom because he puts the sticker on top, so I don't like to cut the sticker. I don't know why. I don't even keep the boxes. Oh, okay. So this is do I have some? Yeah, I have some of these that look similar. So this is the Velour liquid lipstick, and that's what the packaging looks like. It's white. It's green. I could tell by the, there you go, it's a green color. Is it? Yep. It is not something I think I would wear. This is like baby turd green or camouflage green. I think this is something I'd be able to paint on my face. Yeah, I don't like this color. Maybe I'll have to put it on to see if I like it, but that's what that looks like. It kind of looks like baby turd green, you know, when they're like really newborn babies and they poop out all this stuff. That's what this color is. Not a color. It's not a color I would reach for and say, oh girl, I gotta have that color, that's good, that's pretty. No, hell no, it's not. I knew it was gonna be items that he doesn't sell would be in this mystery box. Did I learn my lesson the last time? No, I did not, and I bought it again. So for those of you that didn't get a box, you didn't get this box. Karma. Yeah, karma. So far I've got the Gargoyle color and the gray, and I got the Skaka color and Karma green, and a pop socket. So 18 and 18 is 36, and 36 plus 15 is 51, right? 51, I think. 51. And then the next thing is the Liquid Frost and Frozen Peach. That's the color, or that's the shade, and that's the box. I have a few of these. Do I reach for them? Nope, I do not reach for it. Maybe I should. Let me know if you want to see like a full face of Jeffree Star, or any products that I have. I'm not going to go out and buy new ones. And maybe I'll be able to use this one or another one that I have. I do have his concealers. What else do I have? I have his concealers, I have his lip gloss, I have his lipsticks. I think that's it. His highlighters, lip scrub. I don't know. I'm not swatching this. I'll just open it so you can see the color. That's what that looks like. It is a pretty shade. I mean, it's something I would wear. And that's what the bottle looks like. I don't know if anybody's ever seen his bottles. Is that like centering? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see. Okay, so that's the Frozen Peach. And then, and this is $25. So what I say, 51 plus 25, 76? $76? Am I right? Am I right? This is a retail value of $25. And his stuff rarely goes on sale. And also, he doesn't liquidate none of his stuff. He doesn't sell any of his stuff to liquidators, so therefore you'll never find it. Once it's expired, I think he destroys all of it. He doesn't send it out to liquidate. So you get, that's why I think that's why he does the mystery boxes, so he can get people to buy this. Look at this turd color. Anyway, so the last but not least is this one here, and this is the Velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade of the question mark. This was going to be the limited edition, only available in boxes. I hope I didn't get had with this one. This is question mark, what we're gonna call Enigma. Remember the Riddler from Batman? Riddle me this, Batman. Oh, I hope I don't get copyright for that. Oh, whatever. So this is the question mark. I'm gonna call it Enigma, and this is the shade. I like the lime green. Was this the Jawbreaker stuff? This lime green? I didn't get the Jawbreaker. I just couldn't do it. I didn't break my no buy for that, but if anybody has an extra and would like to send it to me, I'll be happy to take it. So this is the lipstick. He said that would be a nice color. It'd be a shade for everybody. A lime green top. It doesn't have any glitters. It is a pink shade. So we're gonna try this out right now. And let's swatch it next to the turd green. Oh, it's very pink. Pinky, pinky, pinky. So let's swatch this. Let's see what this is about. I already dirtied it, but whatever. Okay. Let's put this on. And you know what? I don't like using that mirror because it's double-sided. Do I have something else? Oh, my little Fenty. Oh, well, this is just as bad. This has like a mirror on it too. So I'll use my Fenty mirror. And I'm going to put it over my Milani lip liner. That I love Milani lip liner. Oh, not, is it 09 Spice? I think so, but we're gonna try this. Oh, why does this shade look familiar? I think I have the shade already by someone else. Is it Huda? I don't know. Oh, I got something on me. I had something on my lip. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think I have the shade already. I feel like I have the shade. That's the shade of the question mark, which I'm going to call Enigma. So even if Jeffree Star doesn't like that, that's too bad. So this is the shade. Let me know what you think of it. I feel like I have the shade already, and I'm gonna look through my stash because I believe I have the same identical color. I maybe want to say Huda. Anyway, let's say this retails for like say $20 because it's not gonna be, he's not gonna release it. So let's just say $20. So 76 plus 20 is $96. This box was $45. It's worth $96. Is it worth $96 to me? No, because the only two things I would really use are these two, and this is about 25 and 20s. Oh no, it's about the value of my box. So if this is 25 and this is 20, this is $45. So I pretty much paid for these two items. Then the box is worth it to me because it's $45, and these you could say are add-ons, and you know they were complimentary with my box, and it was free shipping because I spent over $100. But like I said, what I want to do are mystery boxes and sell mystery boxes. I don't know if I want to do them through PayPal, where you just send me a PayPal payment and I send you a box and I kind of curate it the best that I can to you. It will include makeup and skincare and maybe jewelry. Let me know if you're interested in that. I will be putting them on eBay, but let me know if that's something you're interested in, and maybe I could show you some of the products that will be going in the mystery boxes and we can work something out. They will be $25 and like a flat rate shipping of $4 a box. But yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know in the comment section, what did you think about this box? So we got the turd green Karma, we got the gray Gargoyle, we got the orange Pop Socket, and we've got, this is a pretty shade, the Enigma shade. It's pretty. It's on lips now. And then the Liquid Frost, which if you want me to do like a full face of the Jeffree products that I have, I can then put it on and show you, or I could throw it in one of the mystery boxes. And that's everything that came in my box. So it was worth it to me. I guess I paid $45 for the two products that I most wanted, and that's it. So thank you for hanging out with me today. Comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, and let me know of any future videos you'd like to see. Do you want to see this eye look? This one actually took me forever to do, but again, it's good. I mean, the color's not really coming off. You get a little bit, but yeah, you get a little bit, but other than that, it doesn't really transfer to anything. So I will see you on the next one. Hasta Laterz.